Okay, it is time. Oh, what the heck this is for? You don't need no stinking instructions. What the heck? Okay, today I'm going to be putting together a bike rack. As you know, I gained a couple pounds. If you follow the other channel, I've done quite a bit of food challenges lately. Have to pay the bills somehow. If you guys could please share this video and hit the like button if you like the videos, okay? You don't have to do it now. You can wait till later. But the ones that already know my channel, you're probably going to like it, she said. But for those who don't watch the channel and just tuned in, my name is Brandon Clark. This is Outdoors Unsupervised. All the weight that I've been gaining, I'm planning on losing it. Okay, I have a mountain bike that I like to ride. Haven't rode it lately. I'm not gonna lie to you today, but it's overdue for me to do this. So for me to get some stealth camp, so I don't have to park my car down the road a couple miles and try to figure out where to camp. I can actually ride my bike with the trailer with all the stealth camp gear on it and be more incognito and find a lot better places for you. So after this video, I'm going to plan on a 2-day trip, a 2-day bike trip, okay? I'm going to do at least 2 nights of stealth camping back to back. I'm going to go out the first day, find a spot, and then maybe 15 miles, and then drive another 15 miles coming towards the way back and do another stealth camp. So let's get this put together. I don't have the help of Tasha since this is Unsupervised channel. I'm going to be doing this myself. Uh-oh. Okay, got a wheel. Needs aired up a little bit. Got another wheel. That's good to have 2 of them. Got this from Amazon, I think for 24% off. It was originally like $369 plus government taxes, so about $5,369.99. But I've got it for like 200 and I want to say 249-ish, 249 plus tax. Okay, dokie. First step, start ripping everything apart. You don't need that, you don't need that. There's some more other paperwork that you probably don't need. What is that for? Look at that. So you know instructions needed. Just flip that right around and put the cotter pin deal back in. Look at that. Look at that all by myself. Didn't need help for that. Got another zip tie here. This guy, oh, I think they call this Los Angeles handcuffs. I think that's what they call these. Look at that. Ooh. Okay. I'm going to say this goes here. With the cotter pins going in. I'll show you on this side first. Shove it in the hole. Doesn't fit, just talk dirty. Okay, come on. Come on, sweet Jesus. There we go. I'm not sure why I said sweet Jesus. And I will not put this on my Amazon recommended items on my main web page, DaGarbageDisposalStore.com. If you go to Amazon recommended items, you're not buying the items from me. I'm just giving you a link so you can click it and go to Amazon and buy it from them. I'm just getting you that direction. The stuff on there, if you see it pretty expensive on there and I recommend it, if you know me, I'm really cheap. So if it's pricey and I do recommend it, it must be very well. That's what the camera I'm using here. I got from Amazon, the Sony A7 IV W4. You know what I'm talking about. The Sony A7 IV, okay? And the microphone and tripod and everything else is on there. Even these mics here. I'm not putting this on there until I test it out. I'm going to test it out for about a month and a half, and then give you my recommendations. If there's any reason 6 months down the road something happens, I'm taking it right off, because I do want to test them out before you guys even try to purchase it, so you don't have to waste your time. Even though Amazon has a really good return policy, that's why I really shop with them, because of that. I used to go to Walmart, but if you get anything from Walmart that says marketplace, that means Walmart does not sell it. It's a drop ship thing where somebody else sells it, but they sell it for them, and you have to pay to return it. So if it says marketplace, watch out. I don't buy anything off Walmart. It says marketplace. There's stuff on Amazon like that as well. If it doesn't say Prime on it or shipped by Amazon, then it's the same thing. So, okay. You'll see how easy this is to put together. I have some extra parts here. I'm not sure what this is about. Looks like this stuff came off of it while it was shipped. Here's a bag of goodies that I've been waiting for. Oh, I don't think to even work on this bike, on this trailer, when it's out in the field, I don't even think you need any tools for this, because it has this locking mechanism here. Well, maybe that stays on. Man, I don't know. We'll see. Okay. Let's see what this does. Let me move this out the way so you can see better into this camera. Okay, it just pops off. And then put this right in there like so. I might have to do some research on this. I'm thinking there's a spring here and a spring here, so one spring goes on each side. So that spring and that locking washer goes in the other side. Makes sense to me. and it helps to take the other side off. I thought this was a cushion so nobody gets hurt. They really need to let people know how to put things together. They really do. Put this in like so. The other side, I'm going to put these right in. I'll put the spring in first, the locking washer, and then this plastic, oh, it's a metal nut. The big end goes this direction. Then this right here, and it goes down where it attaches to the frame. So apparently this goes down a little further. Okay, easy peasy. And then you just twist it. Twist it on this side until it's pretty tight. I'm gonna do a little more just to make sure. Oh yeah, that's tight. That's tight. You say it, folks. You say it.
Oh, baby.
Okay. Let me see the alignment on here. It's a little not aligned. Look at it wobbly. But I guess I'm not going to be going crazy fast, but we'll check the other side out and then take it from there. So same thing on the other side, and I'll be right back with you. Or you know what? I can just freaking talk to you while I do this. But I'm not sure if there's just any direction you want to do it, you know. That's what she said. They're both the same on each side. I'll air the tires up when I get out there on the maximum amount of pressure that is allowed on this vehicle. Get you some close-up sexy shots of me sticking it in here. Okay, goes in smooth. See all the stuff I do for you guys? It takes a little while longer to put things together, but I'll make it happen. I'll make it happen. This side goes on a lot better because I've already learned life's lessons on this one. Okay, one more spin, maybe one more. Okay, this one looks a little bit better, but still it's off. Let's do one more spin. I guess it's not supposed to be perfect, but this one's better than the other. Okay. Okay, I think that's all with this camera, so I'm going to shut that camera off. Hopefully I'm not yelling in your ear, because I always think the microphone's all the way over there, but it's actually on my person. I got to figure out what these are for. I think this is just for shipping again. This right here looks like it goes in a trailer hitch. Like it actually goes somewhere. We'll go outside and test it out, okay? So let me meet you outside. I'm gonna air this tire up later, but I just want to hook it up to the bike right now. I had to bribe the chickens with some treats out there so I could do this. Change the bike, the angle of the dangle. Put it right here just so it make sure it doesn't fall. I think it's going to be on this side. Okay. Let's hurry up before the chickens get back out here. There's a quick release on here, so you don't have to take this off the whole time. So what I'm going to do is make it easier on me. Disconnect this now. Let's see if I can get this in the view better for you. Disconnect this now. It has a little cotter pin here. And it is really nice that this doesn't have any tools that you need to open it up, except maybe a metal blade to cut the box. But I'm just gonna leave it right there. It has a shock on here too, so it maybe rides a little better. This is not for people in the back of here, okay? You can get some kids on here and tie them down to it, but I really don't think you should. I'm just saying that, but if I had a kid, I probably would let them in the back anyway, but not on a big road, maybe in the yard. I'm going to end up taking this off and then putting this on here. Simple as that, right? This is my car toolbox I got here. It usually has everything I need in it for just a minor deals, except this. One size bigger, just a little bit bigger, folks. That's what she said. Let me be back. I'll be back. Okay. This was my truck toolbox. My truck was older, so it needed a bigger box to make it stay running. Okay. The freaking hawk, shut up. Okay, folks, this is too simple. This is too simple. Something is wrong here. Okay. Okay, let's see how this goes. And should be simple as just sticking it in. This is some kind of safety thing they have here. They have a safety chain. Who needs that? Okay. Stick it in the hole. Okay, I like this so far, folks. I like this so far. And this safety bar goes on to the bike apparently. So if that falls off, then it will still be attached to you and not rolling down the hill. Just don't want to get it in the tires. That's not a good thing. So I'm not sure. Maybe I'll wrap this around. I'm pretty sure they have some kind of instructions how to do this, but I'm not sure what happened to those. Okay, let's try this out. Wish me luck. Okay, I'm liking it so far. Hopefully it ain't too windy for you, but it's still behind me. Okay, I'm gonna call this a successful assembly. I'm going to end up putting some stuff on here. Probably have my moving blankets I had under here, putting it together. Probably put it up here so it doesn't get into the wheels, and have this in there with my backpack. So I can probably put the backpack, strap it down with a tarp just in case it rains. There's a lot of variables here. I'll probably put some lights on the side, deck it out for maybe if I'm actually traveling a distance at night that I'm not trying to stealth camp. I just don't want nobody to hit me. But okay, well, look for the next week or two, maybe a couple weeks. I'm gonna try to get 2 stealth camps in a row, okay, on the trip. But maybe you'll see a stealth camp, something else, stealth camp. I'm just gonna do 2 stealths in a row, okay, whatever. I'll figure it out later. But I think it's pretty cool. I don't like the bottom part here. Let me show you. It's kind of flimsy, but you can redo the bottom and put whatever you want on it. But if you're spending money like this on a trailer, you probably want something a little bit sturdier, I guess. But it has bars on the bottom, so I think it still should be good. There's a bar in the middle. We'll find out. I will let you know. I'll let you know down the road if this is going to be on Amazon recommended items. If you see this video and a month later you don't see anything on there, or I didn't say anything else about it, please get with me or comment, and I will let you guys know. Once I see a comment and I forget to put it on Amazon recommended items on my website, then I will do so then. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching the video. Please hit the like button if you like the video. If you don't, something's wrong with you. Share it with your friends, family, even your boss. It helps the channel a whole lot if you share it, hit the like button, and subscribe if you haven't already. See you later.
Hey, thanks for watching the video again. If you haven't visited my website yet, the address is www.DaGarbageDisposalStore.com. You can navigate through the top, all these links right here. There is actually a question and comment form. If you have any questions or comments, fill that out and it'll go straight to my email. At the very bottom, there is a free newsletter. Just sign up right here and you'll get a weekly newsletter. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, what are you waiting on? Hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, hit see all so you get all the notifications and don't miss the videos. Please comment. I like to listen to your comments and respond to you, so I do like to interact with you guys. Please share the video with your friends, family, even your boss, and have a great day. Let's meet other plans.